On the sheep brain, this is the cerebellum, and this is the cerebrum. Right here is the spinal cord. It's on both sides right here. This right along here is the medulla oblongata, and here are the pons. Hypothalamus is right there, and the thalamus is up here. And right on here, looks like a circle, is the optical nerve. Okay. Here, right alongside here, is the occipital nerve, or not occipital nerve, the occipital lobe. Right here is the temporal lobe, and right along is the frontal lobe. And this little section right here is the temporal lobe. Alright, let's get started on this thing. Here we will cut right alongside here. Alright. Get an inside look at this thing. Ooh, wee. That's a lot of brain. Alright. Here we go. The spinal cord is this long little stem right here. This will attach to the spine and allow nerve function or all around the body. This little bit right alongside here is the cerebral cortex. It's very small, but it's right in there and it's composed of many layers for it. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Cut right alongside this here. You want to get as close to the middle as you can along that line. Now, alright. I should have done this before I cut it, but right here are the pons. Right alongside here is the cerebellum, and then the medulla. Right alongside each other, right through here. Alright. The olfactory orb and the optic chiasm are right underneath, right alongside here. Ugh. Right there. Those help with the optic nerve, with sight, with colors. Able to see what you can. It's for everybody. It's in everybody. Alright. The optic chiasm and the optic tract are right underneath them, about right there. It'll help connect the two from the left and right eyeball so that you are able to differentiate. The olfactory orb in the sheep is about 3 times the size of a human, because sheep mainly rely on smell and not so much on their sense of sight. Okay. Oof. It smells very bad. Right there. Man. Along the spinal cord, which starts right here, we have the medulla, which comes first, going back through it. We have the pons, which are right through here. They look like a little circle right there. Okay. And then hypothalamus is about right here. And the thalamus is up here towards the end of the spinal cord where you can differentiate them. Okay. Ugh. Smells pretty bad. Okay. In the temporal lobe, we have the hippocampus, which runs from about right through here all the way up to the top, right pretty much in the center along a line of the brain. You can see a little line right through there. Ooh. A human brain has a lot more of these little sections in here. The sheep brain, which is less relies on them, is smaller and doesn't have as many wrinkles in it. Okay. Well, this has been my dissection of the sheep brain. Alright, this is Jackson Gilbert, and this is my Western card, and I'll see you on the sheep eyeball dissection.